first thing I would say is track as much data as you can, because without the underlying data, you'll never get to KPI. There's some basic things, and then there are things that I would consider more elegant. The basics include questions like, what did they consume? Where did they linger? And if you can understand, why did they linger on something? Particularly for demos that follow a pathway, where did they struggle and why did they struggle? If they exited early, why did they exit and where? Of course, did they pursue a call to action? Did they explore the entire automated demo? Here's a really interesting one. Did they watch it more than once? This has proven to be a leading indicator for serious interest. Did they pass it along to others? And of course, if so, who were they? What were their job titles and so forth? So those are simple things, hopefully, simple things to capture. Would you like some that are potentially more elegant? If there are opportunities where interaction can take place, where the prospect can offer responses or other data that could be captured, what did they do? What did they say? What did they input? What did they choose? Longitudinal analysis, so analysis capabilities that can examine changes over time, this stuff is critical. Are we seeing improvement? Are we seeing more rapid improvement? Are we staying the same? Is it getting worse? What's going on? So the ability to track data, compare, if you will, the automated demos we did 6 months ago with the different ones we're doing today, that's huge. That then leads to sort of the A, B, and A, B, C, D, E testing comparisons. If you can run those examples, that's a terrific way to go. Are there any data elements that correlate strongly with closed business? That's a really interesting thing to track. Are there any things, for example, they watched over and over, you find almost always leads to closed business? Well, those would be things to highlight, for example. No tool is perfect. And so the ability to download the data into another tool, Excel, Spotfire, it's a great example, so that you can slice it and dice it on your own, I think is a hugely important capability. I think that along those lines, one of the most valuable aspects, users groups for automated demo companies, is the ability to have those conversations directly with the people that are looking at the data and ask them, what are you analyzing today? What are you consuming? What can't you do that you'd like to do? What trends and patterns have you found that were surprising to you? Those are great topics for formal or informal user group gatherings. So hope that all helps.